So my name is Marina and I'm from Denmark. I'm a software consultant at Thoughtworks. I've been working here for 3 years, and before that I did the Wagon bootcamp, which was a 9-week bootcamp, and I started also teaching there and then got my job at Thoughtworks.
I'm Athiley. I'm from Brazil. I am a graduate software consultant at Thoughtworks.
I'm Jamile, I'm from Brazil, and I'm a graduate software developer at Thoughtworks. So I started with Athiley. So we started doing the Thoughtworks University together. So graduate software developer means that you are in entry level at Thoughtworks.
To me, Wagon is basically a Kickstarter for you to get into tech. It really allows you to learn all of the basics and the fundamentals that you would have not been able to cover that quickly in just 9 weeks. And so I think that being able to actually get a job as a software developer after 9 weeks is really impressive. So it just proves that the content of the bootcamp really does give everything that you need.
In the beginning, I was like, how can I develop a project from scratch if that's literally my first time coding? And in the end, from all the support I received from the teachers and the TAs as well, it ends being something very soft. You don't even see that you are properly learning. And in the end, the amount of information that you get is what provides you with enough for giving your first try and going to your first interviews in the market and everything. So I think that was maybe one of the most valuable things for me as well.
Another skill that is really important for me was know how to work in a collaborative way as a team as well, because we used to work in a team, pair programming and so on. So this is for me really important.
The thing I like most about being a developer, especially at Thoughtworks, is that it's not totally tech-based. So I'm not there all day just coding tickets. I really like that it's a wholesome experience where you are, problem solving, and you're consulting and speaking to the client, and there's lots of conversations going on. So you really feel like what you're building is for a purpose and that you can actually, help people.
Also, for example, now I'm working in my first client in the first project, and I have the help from people with more experience than I have.
It's so important that you know how to code, but the soft skills is really important. So I like being a dev because I can mix both.
The first project that you join is actually a simulated project. So you have the chance to work with a client, but it's not definitely it's someone from Thoughtworks. So you also have the chance to make your mistakes and just get more comfortable before you joining your first official project, let's say.
It's not only important that you know how to code, but you can bring all your soft skills as well, and you can apply your experience from previous work and so on. So if you are a career changer and you seek an environment a safe environment to learn and to keep growing, so I think this is the right place for you.
I recommend it because it's a really nice structured learning environment. So they have this really amazing platform where you can see all of the content and play with it, and they don't just have a lecture and then that's it. You have different ways of learning which are interactive as well, and they really push you to do all the different types of challenges and make sure that you're studying and doing these flashcards that they call it. So it's really the structure of the whole bootcamp is so relevant and helpful to learning experiences that I personally think that it's a really great learning environment. And like I said, I've seen the results, so I don't even need to, it's not even just personal experience.
The Wagon for me was kind of an entrance point, because you learn a lot about communication, you learn how to work in a team, for example, and and also you learn how to ask the correct questions. I think that's maybe the most important thing.